How do you make a habit more sustainable? So to make a habit more sustainable, it has to be built in your character. For it to be built in your character, it has to be an automated behavior that is in your instinct. That means you're doing it without thinking. That is a fully formed habit. Research shows it takes about 66 days for you to fully form a habit. Again, this completely depends on the complexity of the habit. Two things that I want you to consider when you are trying to make or break a fully formed habit. First one is that whenever you're starting a habit and then until the habit is fully formed, in between, there are no days that you should break. Now, if you're going to break, you are programming your subconscious mind that, okay, I've done it before, so it is okay for me to do it again, and then again, and then again. Now, taking a break becomes a habit. Number two, cleaning up and keeping your environment super optimized for the habit that you're trying to build, that is like extremely important. So when you're going to do this one for a prolonged period of time, the habit becomes sustainable. I'll see you in the next video.